What if I told you that time doesn't flow the same for everyone, and that you could technically travel to the future right now? Let's talk about time travel. Not the kind with flashy DeLoreans or mysterious phone booths, but the real, actual physics behind bending time itself. And the wild part? It's not science fiction. It's science fact. First, let's break down time as we know it. Most of us think of time as this steady, unchanging thing, a river that flows at the same speed for everyone. But according to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is more like a stretchy piece of fabric. It bends, it warps, and it changes depending on how fast you're moving or how strong gravity is around you. Take traveling at super high speeds, for example. If you hopped on a spaceship and blasted off near the speed of light, here's what would happen. For you, time would pass normally. You'd eat, sleep, maybe watch a few movies. But back on Earth, years could fly by in what felt like days for you. You'd return to a planet that aged decades while you aged just a little. That's time dilation in action, proof that time isn't as fixed as it seems. But what if you wanted to go the other way, travel into the past? That's trickier, but not impossible, at least in theory. One idea involves something called a closed time-like curve, a fancy way of saying a loop in spacetime. If you could find or create one of these loops and survive the journey, you might be able to revisit moments in the past. The catch? We'd need extreme conditions, like spinning black holes or cosmic strings. Things we don't exactly have lying around. Speaking of black holes, they're like nature's ultimate time machines. Get too close to one, and gravity warps time so much that a few minutes for you could be centuries for someone far away. Fall in, though, and you'd get turned into spaghetti by tidal forces. So maybe that's not the best vacation plan, but the craziest idea. Wormholes. Picture a tunnel connecting 2 points in spacetime. If traversable wormholes exist, and that's a big if, they could let you jump from one point in time to another instantly, no spaceship required. The downside. Wormholes would require exotic matter with negative energy to stay open, and we haven't exactly found any yet. So while we're not packing for a trip to the dinosaur era just yet, the science says time travel isn't impossible. It's just really, really hard. But who knows? Maybe one day, with the right breakthroughs, we'll crack the code. Until then, we've got the universe's weirdest physics to keep us guessing. Would you risk a trip to the future or past if you could? Drop your answer below, and follow for more mind-bending science.